Hello, this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This vehicle features a 3.5-liter V6 gasoline engine with four-wheel drive. As we get closer here to the front of this sleek crew pickup, you'll be able to see that it is a metallic midnight black clear coat with chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille as well as down around those fog lights. Those fog lights will help you out in inclement weather, and speaking of inclement weather, we'll come along here to the side to take a look at this vehicle's tires and wheels. This vehicle features black 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels, and as for the tire treads, you have got a good amount of life left in them, but I'll get you those exact measurements here in just a second, as this vehicle, along with all the other vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection, as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabinet air filter, and a new engine air filter. So you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. Right behind all of those wheels, you do have mud guards, which will help to prevent not only mud from flinging upon your vehicle, but from anything that might chip away at the paint like gravel or stone chips. You also have heated mirrors with this pickup, which will help to prevent them from fogging up, as well as to help de-ice them in inclement weather. We'll now take a look here to the inside of this vehicle. Here on the inside of this pickup, you do have a lovely medium gray cloth upholstery on the seats for a smooth and comfortable ride. And like I mentioned earlier, you do have those chrome and black accents making their way up the dashboard. While we're looking over here, I'll just open up the big glove box and bring you the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. And as you'll be able to see here on this inspection sheet, you do have green checks the entire way around. And as for your tire treads, you have 830 seconds in both your front tires and 930 seconds in both your rear tires. And as for your brake pads, you have 1230 seconds in the front and 430 seconds in the rear. Right beside that multi-point inspection, you also have the Carfax Vehicle History Report. You might notice on that report that you do have a minor damage report on this vehicle. That minor damage report is only in the rear, and it is only something cosmetic such as dents or scratches, and I will be going over the entire vehicle later on in the video up close so you can see everything for yourself. But again, it's just cosmetic. I'd also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get the original owner's manual with it as well. So if you have any questions after you buy it, you'll be able to look them up in there. We'll now continue around to take a look at the rear occupant seating. As you'll be able to see back here, this vehicle can seat a total of 5 people. And for these rear occupants, you do have cup holders back here, as well as a pocket on the back of that front passenger seat. And down on the floors, you do have all-weather floor mats to help keep your floors nice and clean. Over here on the door, all the doors do have a cup holder in them, as well as powered windows. I'll just close that door and we'll continue on to take a look here at the rear of this pickup. On the bottom of the pickup back here, you do have a pre-installed tow bar, as well as both a 4 and 7 pin connector for a trailer hitch hookup. And right behind all of that, you do have a spare tire as well if you're ever in a pinch. You also have a backup camera to help you whenever you're parking or going in reverse. I will just open up the tailgate. And as you'll be able to see, it does go down by itself without slamming, as this pickup does have tailgate assist. Alright, as you'll be able to see back here, this pickup does have a bed that's a little over 6 feet, so you've got plenty of space to haul some really nice loads back here. You also have a spray-in bed liner, which will help to protect the bed against any nicks or scratches the loads you put in here might give in. You also have a small storage compartment over here to the right side of the bed area for anything you might want to store inside of there. I will just close this tailgate back up, and we'll continue around here to the driver's side. I would like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys for your convenience and to help prevent you from ever getting locked out. This pickup does have powered mirrors, powered windows, and powered door locks, and as for the driver's seat, you do have 8-way powered seating adjustments, meaning you can move the seat forwards, backwards, up, down, tilting the seat forward and back, and then 2-directional lumbar support. You also have a telescopic steering wheel, meaning you can move it in and out as well as up and down to fit you as you like. And to the left of that steering wheel is just your bed light controls, as well as your electronic stability control toggle, which just helps to prevent skidding and sliding. I'll now just get inside this vehicle and turn it on for you. This vehicle does use its key to start as opposed to a push to start. And now that the engine is running and the dashboard's lit up, you'll be able to see that this vehicle has about 52,799 miles in it. We'll take our attention over here to the right side of the steering wheel, as over here are your dashboard navigation buttons. So with these, you can cycle through all the different information and services this vehicle provides to you up there. Beneath those dashboard navigation buttons, you do have your lane departure warning toggle as well as adaptive cruise controls. Adaptive cruise control is really convenient because you can basically set a certain speed to cruise along the highway at, but if you end up falling behind somebody, this vehicle will automatically match their speed. And you can also set how far away you want to follow them. And over here on the left side of the steering wheel, you do have your volume controls, as well as your Bluetooth and call controls, as this vehicle does have smartphone integration. We'll now take a look here over here to the center of the vehicle. Here in the center of the vehicle, you do have a lovely touchscreen LCD display, and I'll just throw it in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. To the left and right side of that display, you do have controls for it. Underneath said display, you do have your climate controls, the ability to turn on and off those heated mirrors like I had mentioned earlier, your four-wheel drive shift, USB charging port, power outlet, and then you do have a power sliding rear window to really enjoy those sunny summer days. Beneath that, you have a small space for something like your phone, 2 cup holders, your main gear shift, parking brake, another cup holder right here, and then your main storage compartment behind all of that with a USB and USB-C charging port inside. We'll now move on to the last section of this video. Here in the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so we'll be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, and we want the purchasing process to be transparent and straightforward. We want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections and all. So as I'm looking around the inside of this vehicle, you do have a few minor imperfections, such as some faint staining here in the rear occupant seats, as well as some wear and scuffing here on the insides of these doors. But other than those, there is nothing else standing out to me. There are no odors or scents whatsoever, so we'll take a look here now to the outside of this vehicle. Again, we'll be looking up and down for any of those imperfections, starting by coming along here to the front. And here along the front of this vehicle, you do have several nicks, most likely from stone chips. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent it is just by not driving your vehicle. This pickup is also a darker color, so it does tend to hide a little more than a lighter color might. A few faint nicks here, as well as some scuffs on that door. A few more scuffs back here as well. An imperfection there that we had touched up, but it is still there. A scratch a bit lower. And we'll come along here now to the rear. Now often where I do tend to see several imperfections on pickups is on the top of the tailgate, as people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. And as I take a look here, that is the case for this pickup. You do have quite a few scratches on the top of that, as well as on that spray in bedliner. I will just close the tailgate back up, and we'll continue back around here to the driver's side. A significant nick there. A few smaller ones back here. One there and there, as well as there. And we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a black crew pickup with the ability to seat 5, a good amount of space in the bed with a spray-in bedliner, tailgate assist, a backup camera, a pre-installed tow bar, a spare tire, mudguards, a rear power sliding window, smartphone integration, a lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, fog lights, cloth upholstery, 2 keys, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this crew pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.